Welcome to Love Life 10 Financial Lessons Well Learned Too Late. Start saving early. One of the most common regrets is not starting to save money sooner. Compound interest can significantly grow your wealth over time, so the earlier you begin, the better off you'll be in the long run. Live below your means. Many people wish they had understood the importance of budgeting and living within their means earlier. Avoiding unnecessary debt and lifestyle inflation can help you build wealth and financial security. Emergency fund is vital. An emergency fund is a financial cushion that can prevent you from going into debt when unexpected expenses arise. People often wish they had established one sooner to avoid financial stress during emergencies. Investing is essential. Investing your money in assets like stocks and real estate can help it grow faster than just saving it. Understanding the basics of investing and starting early can significantly increase your wealth over time. Debt management matters. High-interest debt can be a financial burden that lingers for years. Learning to manage and pay down debt as soon as possible can save you a lot of money and stress in the long term. Diversify your investments. Relying on a single investment or asset class can be risky. Diversifying your investments helps spread risk and can lead to more stable and consistent returns. Plan for retirement early. Saving for retirement should begin as soon as you start working. The power of compounding can make a substantial difference in your retirement savings if you start early. Understand taxes. Tax knowledge is essential for effective financial planning. Understanding how different investments and income sources are taxed can help you minimize your tax liability legally. Insurance is not optional. Insurance, such as health, auto, and life insurance, is crucial for protecting your financial well-being. Many people realize the importance of adequate insurance coverage too late when faced with unexpected events. Learn to say no. Peer pressure and societal expectations can lead to unnecessary spending. Learning to say no to financial commitments that don't align with your goals can help you maintain better control over your finances.